Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to connect Spotify to your device. So let's go to your Spotify application. Here, you are now in your home page. So let's go and tap the settings icon and scroll down until you find devices. Make sure to enable the show local devices. Then tap connect to a device. In here, sad to say that connecting to a device is only available for premium users. So if you are a Spotify premium user, you can just tap the available device where you want to connect. On the other hand, you can still use your account on your other device by logging it manually. Just download the Spotify app if you want it in your computer or smart TV. Then simply log in your account. To do that, go to your other device and download the Spotify app. If you finished downloading, log in to your Spotify. And through this, you can enjoy your Spotify in your other device. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.